Hi! So today I'm gonna try to trek my way to this neighborhood called Tseun Wan, which is about an hour from where my apartment is, to this place called the Mills, which is a revitalized old factory. I think they used to make fabric and thread, things like that there, but now it's become a creative hub for local artists and creatives to sell their products. So also I'm going to try to take the bus there today, which I normally don't do, so we'll see how that goes. All right. Turns out taking the bus instead of the MTR to save about only 10 minutes of the total trip was a huge mistake. I had to switch two different buses, and because there were so many options, I got confused and ended up spending an hour and 30 minutes to get to the Mills instead of an hour. What a disaster. Amazing Hong Kong cafe stickers. I finally made it! So it actually took me an hour and a half instead of an hour because I had to change 3 different buses and everything, but nonetheless, finally made it! Let's go explore inside. I absolutely adore that they kept the original steel beams of the factory in its architecture. And because it's a pet-friendly mall, you can find a lot of adorable dogs here on weekends. There's so many interesting and creative shops here. For example, Garment to Garment upcycles old clothing by using technology to transform it to new shirts or sweaters. Sadly, I think Book B left the Mills shortly after I filmed this, but it was a lovely bookstore that specialized in independent publications across literature, art, history, and design. The bookstore was also home to a cozy cafe that was always jam-packed with people reading and studying. It gave such a warm vibe to the space. Another one that's fun to explore is Pimery, which is a sustainable lifestyle store where you can find organic beauty products and naturally based home goods. But my personal favorite store is this cute little shop that features stationery and jewelry designed by local Hong Kong artists. Millefeuille has very cheeky designs in nature, and many of its stationeries feature local Hong Kong cultural jokes or Cantonese slang phrases. Look at this Teletubby sticker here. And the moment I laid eyes on these stickers that themed around Hong Kong cha canteen dishes, I knew I had to get them. I mean, look at these special noodles from Hong Kong. And Hong Kong French toast, egg tarts, pineapple buns, stickers, food, and design. 3 of my favorite things. What more reasons do I need to buy this? And because the Mills is such a pet-friendly and hipster place, I even found a dog ice cream vending machine where I had in stock multiple flavors. Hi guys, so I'm on top of the deck of the Mills in Tseun Wan, and as you can tell, it is surrounded by industrial buildings. I mean, this whole neighborhood, from what I understand, used to be super industrial, and a lot of manufacturers and their warehouses here. But yeah, they really did a nice job transforming this space into a art and creative zone, and you can find a lot of super nice stuff here and a garden. And I just got out of my favorite store. Let me show you guys what I bought. These amazing Hong Kong cafe stickers. You can see egg tart, the famous Hong Kong toast, the milk tea. It's super cute. If you're from here or you live in Hong Kong and you're traveling and you want to get some knickknacks for friends and family that are Hong Kong themed, this is definitely the spot to go. There's a burger joint and a bar right inside, so you can take a drink and grab some food and chill outside if the weather's nice. And there's some public seating, people with dogs, a nice mural. And honestly, I've been here before. I know today's a weekday, but it usually never gets super crowded up here. It does get crowded inside the mall, but not on the rooftop, because I think not many people know this actually exists. If you're up here enjoying a burger or beer, you can have a lovely view of the cars going by at the Tseun Wan District. I stumbled upon the Center for Heritage Arts and Textile, which happens to have a few exhibits on display. The first one gave a great history of南豐 Textiles, which was home to the current structure in which the Mills is located. The exhibit gave an overall view of南豐's leading role in textile manufacturing and the impacts it has had on Hong Kong's post-World War II economy. Exhibition also gave a history of南豐Textile's founder, Dr. Tseun Wan, who moved to Hong Kong in 1949 after the Chinese Civil War from Shanghai and founded the company in 1956.南豐Textiles created products ranging from clothing to signage, flags, and drapes that were often on display during festive times, such as the Dragon Boat Festival holiday. Besides the historical exhibitions, the center also featured an exhibit on types of weaving. In addition, there was a community poetry and art exhibition featuring local students. This particular one has caught my fancy. Slow down the time. Cherish the moment. Softly knit moments of care and stillness. While it is a bit out of the way from Central, the Mills in Tseun Wan District is definitely one of my favorite spots to spend an afternoon in Hong Kong. As a landmark revitalization project completed in 2018, a destination consisting of business incubator, experiential retail, and nonprofit cultural institution, it definitely lives up to its vision. Indeed, it is a great place to hang out, relax, and get immersed in the local Hong Kong culture.